it's Shay. I am here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. If you are new here, definitely subscribe. Make sure you smash like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never miss out on a video. So listen, really quick, you guys. Flavor Wiki paid out yesterday. A few of you guys are hitting me up like, when are they gonna pay out? When are they? And I know their thing says 5 days or less, but in the past it's taken closer to like 7 days. And this time around, I want to say 4 or 5 of my offers, I got it back the day on the second day, and all of the other ones came back yesterday, which was like the 4th day. So they all came through. Like, this was a really, really awesome promotion. With Flavor Wiki, like I said before, you guys, you have to check it early in the morning. And you have to do those pre-qualification surveys first. You have to do that first because those don't stick around. By you doing that, it's going to buy yourself more time to do the regular surveys, right? And so that promotion, I made $180 back on that promo. And that's the most I've ever had out at one given time. And I was like, I need my money back. Like, I need my money back so I can roll it again, right? But with that being said, what else did I want to say? I do have a printable I want to try out today and see if it works out. A lot of you guys use my referral link for the Rockstar, so I have a ton of Rockstar as well. Again, we don't have any self-checkouts at all in our area at all. Everything is with the register, a regular cashier, and I usually would just check out in cosmetics since it's faster. So I did 3 transactions in cosmetics, and then I had to go up front for my coupons because for some reason my coupons don't work in cosmetics, and so I went up front for the coupons. I did try some coupons to see if they were going to work, or at least one in particular. So definitely stick around if you want to see how that played out. Other than that, you guys, we're going to head to the store. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Rockstar. Doing this deal again. Now, this is an aisles offer. You buy 2, you get back 5. It is a limit of 1. But literally like 25 of you guys use my link. And I can't thank y'all enough because I'm going to be getting these here and there. I want to try different flavors, but I don't want a ton of sugar. I ain't even joking. But listen, so $188 each. You're gonna grab a total of 2 of them. You're gonna pay $3.76 out of pocket, and you'll get back $5 through aisles. It'll make this $1.24 money maker, and this offer went through really fast, especially for aisles, because aisles usually take some time. But this offer went through super, super fast, and so yeah, not a bad deal. This next deal is on the Starbucks triple shot energy. I meant to grab this in my last video and I totally forgot. So they are priced at $3.28. You're gonna get back $2.50 on Ibotta, so it makes them only 78 cents each. Limit is 5, so I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 5. Now it is also available for Walmart Cash as well, and I'm kind of low-key thinking of just grabbing 5 for Walmart Cash too. And so yeah, definitely not a bad deal. Alright, so this next deal is going to be on the Snuggle Sheets. It's on the 40 count, priced at $197. I got this deal from Coupon Mode. All right, I did it before, but I didn't use the coupon. I don't think I used a coupon at all. I think I just used all of the apps. But we do have this $1.25 coupon on coupons.com. That's gonna bring that total down to you paying 72 cents out of pocket, and then you're gonna get back 75 cents on Ibotta. Now I don't have the offer on Shopkick anymore, so it'll bring that down to only 3 cents each. Okay guys, they keep restocking on these. Look, I got some a couple days ago. I grabbed 5 of them, submitted that on Ibotta for $1.50 back, and made that a nice money maker. And then I also got back points on Shopkick. I think it was 125 kicks on Shopkick for ×2, which is 50 cents. So the first 2 were $1.03 money maker, and then the other 3 were 53-cent money maker. And then I think I still have surveys on Brand Club as well. I was watching Coupon Mode, and so I grabbed the 40 count at the other store, and I used this $1.25 coupon, which scanned perfectly fine. So I'm gonna use it on these. It should just make them free. I'm cool with that. I don't know if it's gonna reset on Ibotta for me anymore, but I'll take them for free. Actually, what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and just grab 5 of them, and then I'll use 4 coupons, because at Walmart, y'all know, with the newer system, it's only 4 like coupons, and the system will only scan 4 like coupons. So I'm gonna grab 5 of them and use 4 coupons, and so it'll still make it a really awesome deal. All right, guys, so this next deal is on the Kleenex. It's on the 3-pack, price at 97 cents. I mentioned this in my last video. It is working for ShopMium and Alexa. Now, I did submit on my points, and it's still in review. So I'll pin a comment, let you know how that plays out. But you're going to grab one at 97 cents, getting back $1, making that a 3-cent moneymaker. The other item that we're grabbing is on the Febreze to go right here. It's priced at $197, and you're going to get back $2.30 on Ibotta. Now, it's also for Walmart Cash as well, so I went ahead and grabbed 2, making them both free, plus a 33-cent moneymaker each, which is awesome. All right, guys, so I decided to do this deal again since I still have the offer on Walmart Cash. So you're going to grab one, price at $2.94, get back $2 for Walmart Cash, and then 200 kicks on Shopkick, which is 80 cents. It'll bring this down to 14 cents per pack, or only 7 cents per tube. Next up is the Pronamo Repair mouthwash, priced at $6.98. For this, you'll be getting back $2 on Ibotta, $2 on ShopMium, and then 750 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3. It'll make this a 2-cent moneymaker. And again, I have it on Swagbucks. We'll see. We'll just see. We'll have to see. But as of now, it's a 2-cent moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. I don't know about y'all, but these stores making all these changes is just getting on my nerves. This is all fancy. Oh my gosh. But anyways, listen, this deal is on the Vaseline, all right? It's the 10-ounce, price every $98. We're going to be getting back, well, the offer on Ibotta is $2, but that offer expired. It was no longer on my list, but when I submitted my receipt, I actually still got it. And then $2.50 on ShopMe would make this a 52-cent moneymaker. Now, I do also have it on Swagbucks, and I'll let you guys know how that plays out. So next up is the Axe, y'all. We have 3 different ways of doing this because we have 3 different rebates. And so the first one is on the cheaper ones. They're priced at $4.97. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $9.94 out of pocket. You'll get back $2 for each on Ibotta. And then there's also $6 on ShopMe and Alexa, or, you know, all of the other apps. It'll make it a 6-cent moneymaker. And then the other option would be to grab the Axe Fine. The sticks are $5.97. 2 of them is going to cost you $11.94. Getting back $3 for each on Ibotta, and then $6 on one of the other apps. It'll make that a 6-cent moneymaker as well. And then last but not least, you can always grab the body wash. They're priced at $5.22. You'll pay $10.44, getting back $2 for each on Ibotta. And you'll also get back $6 on either ShopMe and Alexa, Swagbucks, My Poison Box, or Tada. It'll bring these down to only 22 cents each. All right, guys, this might be the last deal for today. It's on the Dove body washes, priced at $6.97. You want to grab one. You'll be getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 across the board as well. And then last but not least, we got 500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2. It makes it 97 cents, which is definitely not bad. I'm sorry, this is the last deal. It's on the Dove bars. These are priced at $188. The offer on Shopkick is 400 kicks, which is $160. So it's basically going to make this only 28 cents per bar. Now, I've been grabbing these on separate transactions, and it has been resetting for me. So I'm going to grab one at a time, and hopefully if it resets, I'll submit the other receipt. If not, I got to buy this anyway, so it's not even like I'm not going to use it. And so, yes, I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. The only thing I didn't mention was the Tresemme. So I found these 2 Lonely bottles on clearance, one for $3.50, one for $2.50. So you'll pay $6 and get back $5 on ShopMium, making them only 50 cents each. Again, I have that offer on Swagbucks, and we'll see how that works out. I think that was the only thing I didn't go over. I did the Dove bars 4 times, 4 separate receipts. I think I did 2 yesterday, and I did 2 today, and it's still been resetting for me. Rockstar, you guys, for those of you who use my my link, I had, I think, 25 or 26 when I went in, And then when I submitted my last receipt, I still had like 26, 27 offers left. So I gotta see when that one expires, because we do usually get a rebate on Ibotta for Rockstar. So I'm gonna try to see if I can use them all before they expire. I was thinking of redeeming them all and maybe donating them to, like, I don't know, I was thinking like a school, but not an elementary school, like a high school or something, maybe for the sports team. I don't know. I was just thinking, because I would never drink them all, and I've just been getting the zero sugar ones because the regular ones have way too much sugar. These have a lot of sugar too. So, and I'm not even sure if I'll drink those since I didn't drink the last ones that I got. But with the Rockstars, I'm thinking of what I could do with them as far as donating them rather than let them expire. And so there's that. I did the Axe. I did it on Walmart Cash. What else was Walmart Cash? The Colgate was Walmart Cash. And one more item was Walmart Cash, the Febreze. All right. Other than that, everything worked out good. The coupons for Snuggle scanned perfectly fine. Again, I think I may have mentioned in the video that at Walmart with their new system, their system only will take 4 like coupons. At least in my experience, I haven't had to take any more than that of the same coupon. And I did do these on separate transactions. And it worked perfectly fine. Again, I did use the $3 Pilly off of the Poise. I didn't think that one excluded the coupon because it doesn't normally exclude a coupon, but it did. And so I kind of wasn't counting that in this whole scheme of things, but I did get credit for that on Ibotta. And so there's that. And I think that's basically it here. As far as my receipts, ShopMium, it says validated, so I'm just waiting for it to hit my my Venmo. And then Swagbucks, that receipt is processing for everything. And I had the Dove Vaseline, I had the Tresemme on there, the Sensodyne is on there, the Axe is there, and the Kleenex, and that's all still pending. The receipt for my points for the Kleenex is still pending. But the Axe did go through on my points, Inbox Dollars, and Tada so far. And I think that was basically it. The aisles offers have all gone through except the last receipt. I've noticed with me scanning multiple receipts, it is 1 redemption per receipt. So I did like 5 different transactions for these, and I had to submit each receipt. And the last receipt, it hasn't gone through yet. So I would say the last 3 receipts, I had to re-scan the receipt again. And I'm not scanning a new receipt until the previous one clears. Other than that, I feel like I'm missing something else that I want to say. I started this haul, you guys, off with a negative account on my Ibotta. So I did the Nature Valley in my last haul, but I had activated the offer for Walmart Cash. I got it for Ibotta. And then literally like a whole day later, it hit my Walmart Cash too. And then Ibotta reversed it. So I was actually negative 50 cents when I started this haul. And I've never been negative before, but I was today. And what else? I think that is it. So everything you see here retails $149.22. I had $16 in coupons. It brought the out of pocket down to $133.22. And then the tax was $12.66. I walk away with $60.80 from Ibotta. The aisles for the Rockstar should be $25. Shopkick is $19.44. ShopMium is $18.50. Swagbucks is also $18.50. Walmart Cash is $10.30. My Points is $7.48. Alexa was $7. Inbox Dollars is $6. And Tada is also $6. And then last but not least is $3.35 from Brand Club. With Brand Club, guys, I'm not actually adding the offers to my Google Doc until I've actually done the surveys. And I just finished my surveys today from my last haul. So we walk away with a total of $182.37 in rebates. It makes everything you see here free plus a $49.15 moneymaker, you guys. Oh my gosh. And even after tax, we still make $36.49, which is just freaking amazing. Other than that, Jojo, what's your emoji again? A car. He's sitting on the stairs. I think he was waiting for me to finish. A car. So if you got to this point in the video, I appreciate you. Don't forget to, if you got to this point yet, definitely don't forget to smash that like button. And then we want to see car emojis in the comments. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.